Welcome to this deep dive into the Toyota Fortuner, an SUV renowned for its engineering excellence, off-road capabilities, and dominant presence in the global midsize market. The Fortuner's heritage is defined by Toyota's legendary IMV platform, which provides the vehicle with uncompromised durability, allowing it to perform reliably in the world's most rugged environments. Built on the same robust chassis as the Toyota Hilux, the Fortuner offers 7-seater versatility for families, a strong global market presence, and a design philosophy that prioritizes durability and low maintenance. The design combines a commanding exterior, featuring bi-LED headlamps and a muscular stance, with a premium 7-passenger interior equipped with leather-accented upholstery and advanced audio technology. Performance is tailored to your needs with 3 engine options: a high-torque 2.8L turbo diesel, an efficient 2.4L diesel for daily use, and a refined 2.7L petrol engine for city driving. As this chart illustrates, the 2.8-liter GD series turbo diesel engine provides 500 Newton-meters of peak torque, offering superior pulling power essential for heavy towing and challenging off-road conditions. Engineered as a master of all terrains, the Fortuner features a 4WD system with locking differentials and high ground clearance, enabling it to navigate mud, sand, and steep gradients with ease. Beyond its 500 Newton-meters of torque, the Fortuner is built for heavy utility, boasting a 3.1-ton braked towing capacity and an 80-liter fuel tank that enables a driving range exceeding 1,000 kilometers. Safety and technology are integrated throughout, featuring the comprehensive Toyota Safety Sense suite, advanced infotainment with smartphone connectivity, and 7 airbags for passenger protection. This matrix provides a comparison of trim levels, highlighting the variations in engine availability, drivetrain configurations, audio systems, and interior finishes across the model range. Since its 2004 debut on the IMV platform, the Fortuner has evolved through generations, introducing more powerful engines, 6-speed transmissions, and advanced safety technologies like the GR Sport variant. Thank you for watching this overview of the Toyota Fortuner, a vehicle defined by power, purpose, and precision.